Hello children, good morning to all of you. So, we are moving toward the last part of the chapter number 7, India location, border and physiographic division. In the physiographic division or to the physical character of India, we are moving toward the last two physical features, that is an island, or it is also known as an archipelagos, and desert. So let's see that where are these two physical division is located in India. So here if you will see, first we come to know that what is actually an archipelagos or an island. Island means a piece of a land which is smaller than the continent but it is surrounded by the water is called island, and that group of island is called the archipelagos. Okay, so archipelagos is a group of the island, that's why that term is used. And island is a piece of a land which is smaller than the continent but surrounded by the water. In India, if you will see in the western side, that is in the Arabian Sea, there is a archipelago that is known as the Lakshadweep and the Minicoy. Okay, so this part is the island of India in the western side, and if you will move toward the eastern side, that is in the Bay of the Bengal, then here it is an Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and it is situated in the Bay of Bengal towards the east of India. Now, these islands are, is why it is important is because it is used for the transportation services, it is used for the fishing industries. Moreover, it is also used as people love to travel the islands, so it is also used for that purpose, and it is a source of income for the government. Now next is in India, if you will see the desert area, then it is divided into the two form of the desert. First we will see the desert in the Rajasthan. If you will see in the map of India, here it is Rajasthan, and it's here means the northern part. If you will see, it is full of the desert only. So the desert of the Rajasthan lies to the west of the Aravalli mountain ranges. Here it is an Aravalli mountain ranges, and it is west of that Aravalli mountain ranges. The soil here is a sandy and the climate is dry and unbearable, because in the daytime it is too hot and in the night time it is too cold. This region receives less than 20 centimeter of the annual rainfall. So rainfall is very low. That's why it has the water shortage and remains dry, barren and uninhabited for the life. So it is not appropriate for the life of the even animals and the human beings too. Now date, palms and the caravans pulled by the animals like the camels are seen in this region. तो आपको यहाँ पे डेट, पाम्स, ये तरह की फ्रूट्स मिल जाएंगे, और जो लोग होते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेसिडेंसी इज नॉट पॉसिबल, so there are the people who used to move from one place to another place. They used to do this, and that people who move from one place to another place are known as the caravans, and the people used to pull their caravans with the help of the camel, because camel is known as the ship of desert. Okay. Now, due to the scarcity of the water and the unavailability of the basic necessities, the population in this region is very less. Now, the north of the Rajasthan means, if you will see this part of the Rajasthan is being irrigated through the Satluj river. Satluj river जो कि पंजाब में है, वहाँ से पानी को लाने के लिए कैनल्स बने हुए हैं. So, because through that canals and that name of the canal is Indira Canal. The water is transported from the Punjab to the northern part of the Rajasthan, and because of which these soil are slowly and gradually getting the fertile and favorable for the agriculture. But due to the changes, global temperature changes, nowadays Rajasthan also have more than 20 centimeter rainfall. Okay, due to the global warming and the changes in the climate, आजकल राजस्थान में भी जो बारिश होता है, रेनफॉल होता है, वो बहुत होता है. Now the another kind of the desert is Gujarat region of India, that is in the Kutch. If you will see here in the map, then this part is known as a Great Rann and this is known as the Little Rann. So here also again the a rain is in गुजराती वर्ड जिसका मतलब होता है डेजर्ट. तो वो भी दो पार्ट में है. एक जो बड़ा एरिया है that is called the Great Rann of Kutch and the smaller area is known as the Little Rann of Kutch. Now why it is different? Because it is only a kind of the desert which has a whitish soil. इसका जो soil का color है वो एकदम white है. If you will see in the new moon night, then you will see that it sparkles like the diamond. Okay, that's why this is an only kind of the desert in the world. And why it is so? Because the soil of the Kutch is very much saline. यहाँ का जो मिट्टी है उसमें नमक बहुत है. Because it is long ago it is considered that there was a population in this area and people used to live here, but then it dried up and it converted in such kind of the desert, and that's why it is a very unique desert with such high saline in the soil, and that's why it sparkles like this. As usual, you have seen that it is divided into the two part. Okay. Now here the physical division of the India's landform is over. So what we have seen in this chapter, we have seen that there is all these 7 kind of the physical division or the physical form of landform is in the country, and due to these landforms only India is also rich in different kind of the minerals, agriculture, and that's why the land of India is very unique. Like the people and the culture of this country are unique, and that's why we call it is unity in diversity. So that same concept is also applicable here also in the context of the landform also. So the landform of India is also unity in diversity. Okay. Children, I hope that all the landforms are clear to you, where it lies and what are the different landforms. You have understood the concept. Even though if anybody is having any query, you are always welcome to post in my personal WhatsApp number. That's for all today. Goodbye.